toxicity, no cheats, don't be untaggable, no aqua migraine, no using high preds or hurts, no fried headset. I don't have a fried headset, so you can't say anything. Because if you could see me playing this game by making videos on it, and it's working pretty good, you know I don't have a fried headset. There's an arcade coming. Calling.
Stuck again. Stuck again.
Yo, what the Sigma? What are you doing, bro? I know, what was that about, though? Huh?
How did I miss?
What the Sigma? I think I didn't. I didn't, though. I didn't leave. What are you talking about? I don't remember leaving, because honestly, I didn't see me leave. I wasn't even in the Oculus the whole time. Oh. Okay. Iris tag. I'm in it. Let's go. Maybe. I don't know. I'm an Iris tag. What does Iris tag do? Is it? Oh, what the Sigma? Yo, what is this stream long arms, bro? Wait, how do I join a lobby? Bro, where's the top hat at? Oh, it's right here. I need finger painter. I need finger.
Okay,
I need these finger painters. I need this.
Hello.
Iris tag.
But why are you guys so big and I'm tiny?
What?
Look at me, pair you guys.
I have an animal company, and I think that's it. And scary baboon.
I'm also tiny.
Yeah, Iris tag.
You tiny.
No.
What? I'm gonna be turned as a stick.
Yeah, because my old account had a lot of modded games. It's just that I got the black screen of death.
I'm big now.
So I still want to know how you join a lobby in this game, in Forest.
God, now I'm not more smaller. Yeah.
How do you join Forest? Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Why am I so laggy, bro? Okay, I'm leave.